Hey y'all, I'm doing cauliflower with um, these make nice chips in the oven, 400 degrees, and keep an eye on them because they cook pretty fast. And I'll show you what I seasoned it with. This is olive oil, I just spray it on there. Okay, so I'm using this everything mix seasoning, supreme spice. You can find a version of it at the Dollar Tree. Coarse black pepper, not powdered pepper, coarse, and Himalayan pink salt. And just sprinkle that on there and then spritz it with this and put it in 400 degrees oven. Now, I'm going to pull it out and see if any of them's ready to eat. Doesn't take that long. About 10 minutes. Now, I want to show you how crispy that is. Listen. And taste it. Like a potato chip. Mmm. Healthy. Oh, these are so good. Mmm. They're addicting. This got to cook longer, of course. Because these only take like 10 minutes. Don't overcook them. You don't want to turn them black. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I want it to kind of look like this. And try to get some of that water out of there. Mmm. I'll show you what else I'm doing. Okay, I've got onions in there, pepper, zucchini, tomato, and some Brussels sprouts. That's my meal tonight. I gotta put this back in the oven. See all these top huge leaves? See how thick they are? They ain't so thick when you cook them though. Those are, they come right off my cauliflower. And I don't put poison down. I mean, if a bug was to eat on this, I just wash it. Because I don't, and check for bugs. You know. But I don't ever poison mine. Because I'm going to eat the leaves. Oh, it makes good chips. Yummy. Senna got rewarded with another straw. He's already started on it. See how he flattens this out? There ain't nothing to it. That's his chew toy. Say bye, YouTube. That's my toy. It's a long straw. He steals mine, so I gave him these. He steals mine out of my tea. Okay, bye, y'all.